So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Techments. So today we are going to unbox this lightning USB charging cable. I bought this gadget at rupees just 40. So let's dive right in. So as you can see, the lightning USB charging cable comes neatly packaged in a compact box. The design is clean and minimalistic, and which is always a plus. It has a sleek and durable design with a glossy finish. The cable feels sturdy and well built, which is essential for longevity. Now we are going to connect this cable to my power bank, and oh wow, as you can see, at night it looks great guys. It looks stunning. As you can see, this cable looks amazingly stunning. And now I am going to charge my headphone using this cable, and you can see it's easily charged my headphone. And it looks amazingly stunning guys. And again you can see at night it looks great and really mesmerizing. You can buy this gadget at just rupees 40. So this is our lightning cable. So guys, I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.